I've been working on the columns, these long columns on these nest of tables, and I'm trying to figure out the best way of doing the inlay work down here on the square part at the bottom of the column. Here's one of them that I've been working, and you can see the inlay of holly in this square portion. It's only a 32 inch wide, that holly piece, those strips. And I tried one time to make 1/32 wide grooves and embed just the stringing, which was very difficult to do. So I'm still trying to work out the best way of handling this. What I've now done is created a banding. This is the strip of banding with parallel holly with a 1/16 mahogany in the middle, and then I cut off a 1/16 inch wide strip of that and use this then to make the inlay pattern on the column. So there are several ways of doing this, and I'm working on a way now that just builds up a patch of mahogany, and the inlay banding. And so the first thing I'll do is just cut out the whole shape of the square and I like using a scraper blade as a straight edge because it has that burr on the edge that kind of grabs, so it's very steady. Okay, so I've got this little piece now, and I have to remember that the top, this is the top, so I'm going to put a little arrow right there to remind me that that's goes to the top, because it's not actually centered in that space. So the next step then is to paste this to the mahogany veneer, and I'm going to use just some glue stick. That's the same stuff I use to make full-size templates. And just stick this onto the mahogany veneer. This is very thin veneer, probably even less than a 32nd, I think. And at this point then, I need to cut out a space to insert the mitered pieces of banding in here. And I can see also that my banding is just a hair wider than the template there. It's supposed to be 1/8, but it looks like I've got a 64th or something fatter on the actual banding. So I'll have to accommodate that extra fatness. And so I want to cut out that area. Let's see, I guess I'll go all the way up. No, I'll just cut right to there. I hope that went through the mahogany. And then cut here as well. Now I can't see exactly where to start and stop. And do the same. It would help if I turned it around to do that cut. I'm going to do this long cut here. And then turn this around so that I can see the template a little bit better. And I'm cutting a little bit fat, hoping that that'll be enough to get that banding in there. And then also cut the horizontal piece. I'm going to turn around . Two more cuts. Yeah, so that's now the center piece. I want to save that center rectangle. And this should pop out. Okay. There we are. So now it's a matter of cutting the banding to fit.